Now let me do the battle number 2. Battle 1 is complete. This is battle 2, and there we need only 4 squares. That will be simple. Let me copy it 4 times. Okay. Then in the style, let me style the body background color. Okay, I need also background. Here we go. And then for each div. Okay, here I will do position absolute, then I will use A, B, or let me even do this. I will don't use any closing brackets. A, B, and then C, and then D. This is not correct HTML, but this is good for like doing the style thing. So it will be not semantically correct, but it will be good enough for what we call like to doing some style things. There is no need to be semantically correct, right? And let me do position absolute, and then width. What width we need? I think it is only 40. Yes, it might be 50. Yeah, 50 is looking correct. Let me also do the height of 50. 50 pixel height and then 50 pixel width, and then background color I need to change it to this yellow color. And now I need to style all other, like for A I can do the position. Left is left is around 50, and then okay, I removed one semicolon from here, and right is also 50. Not right, top. And let me check the diff, and it is matching. Okay, then I will now go with the B, and for B I need same left and top, and for B I don't need to change top. No, I need to change top, right? Top for it be 0, and for B, yes, for B, okay, left will be more, and more meaning I'm not going to do this. Let me try this. Close the semicolon here itself, and for A I will style, then for B I will do the right. For B right of 50. Oh, like that. I These all are inside one another. Okay. So what I was doing previously, it was good only. So I need to manually calculate it. It's around 200, and then like, or maybe 250. Then for top it is 0. Now I will go with the C and just copy paste it, and same for the D. There I might need some negative values also, right? So that I will deal. Like to reduce the code, this is the thing we need to do. We might need to do some repeated work, or like we might need to do some calculation that might be simple when we use more code, but when we are using less code, then that is not very simple calculation. B is in the right place. Now I need to find the C. So C should be this. C's left should be 0 and top should be 100. Yes, and even more, right? 150. Yes, it is in correct place. Now for D, top will be 0 but left will be minus 250. That's it. And can I even remove? No, I can't remove top. I think that's it. This last semicolon I can remove, and then I will submit it. Okay, okay, and now let me do something else. Control D. Yes. No, I don't need to save it. I need to submit it. And it is, let's submit it, and it will be 100% for sure. Yeah, it is 100%, and I completed in 173 characters, but last time I completed in 154 characters. But that I'm not going to do today.